In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. All you need to do is launch any app you wanna use in this view, and then access it in the background, like that. When you're ready, click on the icon of it at the top. And when you see this pop-up, select Small Window. Don't worry, I tested it, it will work. So when I do that, I can use my app in this window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. Now, if you want to minimize your app, click on this icon of a line at the top left corner. Then you will see this bubble. To access your window again, click on the bubble. To use your app in full screen view, click on this icon, also at the top left corner. And last but not least, to close your window completely, click on this X at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!